ako doon sa ano.
Wala, malayo na eh. 7 o'clock na. We're at IKEA before the Jonas Brothers concert.
Meatballs na lang.
Yeah, meatballs. Wait lang, bright. So, bro! Music kumakain.
Sarap ng kain. Come on.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! My spot. My name, my Starbucks, and my bag. Yay! Enjoy the pancakes! Thank you, guys!
The Lord is my life's refuge. Of whom should I be afraid?
With my ate Birdie. Nami ka ulit yun. Daddy. Nanda ko yung ate Birdie.
Alam ko ni si Tito Fred, hindi mo ba? Ikaw ko ba doktor sa balay?
Parang
Ikaw, sir. Hindi ka madlok? Dili man, sir. Tawag ka, doktor. O, inom pa na ko, inom ka ko.
We are in Okada. Jem is here, and mommy is getting her bag. But this is the big room, the super cute, nice bathtub, and that is me. Hello, vlog. Feel like I haven't vlogged much since March, but I feel like I should start again. And also start living. So mom is here. She's here for a few days because of the Philippine Pediatric Society Convention, which I'm also part of, by the way. So we're also going together. It's probably my first PPS wherein I'm part of the attendee and not just, a buntot to my mom. But yeah, so this is the year that I'm actually going, and I'll be going with my batchmates and also with the rest of my other co-residents. So I'm here earlier in Okada because my mom is staying here, so I'm just gonna stay here for a while. But yeah, tomorrow I'm duty, so we're gonna go to duty tomorrow. But here is a quick room tour. This is the bathtub. I kind of want to stay here, but yeah, let's leave it for like Tuesday or Wednesday to to go bathtubing. And this is the shower area. May upuan pa siya, char. And may bowl na kapag papasok ka, lalapit. Sana yan. Woo! Ano ko? Open siya on its own. This is the room. The bedroom, which has a TV and free slippers. And this is the walk-in closet, which, by the way, is actually super big. Yup. I know. It's so big. Like, legit. I can sit down there and put all my stuff. Hey. And then, this is like the kitchen or like dining area. Which, for some reason, pagpasok namin, I was pulled out into a bed. That's why Jem's there. And then, some water and some free food that I devoured. Because nagutom ako sobra. Ayaw ko yung pagkain na nakain ko. And the complimentary food is there. Anyway, this is the entrance. And that is it. That is it for the room tour. Actually, we're going to a dance daw. Meron daw. So, we're going down. Kinuha lang namin yung bag niya. And namin yung bag namin iniwan namin sa car. But we're still gonna bring it upstairs. So, that's what we're gonna do tonight. Probably take a little rest. Yeah, so let's go. Hi there. Hello. Welcome to the 61 GBS Annual Convention. Hello. Hi, hello. Hi, hello mga idol. Sabi ko kanina, sabi niya, welcome to the 61. Welcome to the 61st BPS Convention. Ayan, kinakomplete namin. Ikot-ikot, left and right. Mommy, mommy. Yes. Mommy. Oh, pareho mi Going to Dampa. I haven't been there. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I haven't eaten there yet.
Yeah.
I've been there and so yummy there and so swollen.
Are you a waitress here?
Actually,
So, inaayos namin yung curtain and drapes. At si Jem ay being a boang. Finally, na-figure out na namin after clicking these buttons. Nagkalito-lito. Ito pala yung curtain. Ito yung drape. Okay, bye love. I'll see you later. Let's go. Ay, kapisi kaayo, oy, oh. Ay, wow. From the Dove event, made up masyado. I just got stuff from the bag na nilagay ko dito sa bag para palit ng damit.